Can a single-page website really make over $400,000? Sounds insane, right? But I'm going to show you exactly how I pulled it off. No fancy coding, no expensive tools, just clever use of free AI platforms. This story isn't about being a tech genius. It isn't about using free tools strategically. And in the end, I'll show you how to do it too. No catch. Like this one. Get fit without leaving home. Zero equipment needed. That line alone boosted my conversions by 38%. So if you're in the US and looking for smart side hustles or trying to boost your e-commerce game, this one's for you. And a bit of smart strategy anyone can copy. The magic keywords were Best at Home Workout Gear USA, one-page e-commerce site, and buy fitness kits online cheap. I didn't even run ads. The traffic came organically. Hit subscribe if you want more real, no-fluff guides like this that actually make money. Oh. And if you want me to personally help you build a similar one-page business, just tag me in the comments and I'll reach out directly. No employees, no monthly builder fees, just me, my laptop, and free tools. Working smart, not hard. And you can do it too. I'm sharing everything I learned. Hey, if you've ever thought building an online business needs deep pockets or a full team, let me flip that idea for you today. I started with PO, no code, no stress, and it's 100% free to start. I just tweaked colors, added testimonials, and boom, I had a high-converting landing page. These lines created urgency and trust. Calm It is a free chat platform that lets you ask deep questions like, what does a 25 to 40-year-old US customer expect on a landing page selling home workout gear? The insights were gold, better than what paid tools gave me. I didn't hire a copywriter. I used Niche's.com's free plan to create emotional hooks and benefit-driven headlines. I used Durable.co. It literally creates a one-page business website in under 30 seconds. I used Neuraltext.com to generate SEO keywords that rank well in the US. I used a tool called Copy AI to create call to actions, like, start your fitness journey today, risk-free. Within 6 months, this one-page site brought in over $400,000 in sales. Smart doesn't mean complicated. Everything I did can be done by students, freelancers, creators, even if you've never built a website before. If you found even one trick helpful in this video, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Let's turn simple ideas into income, the smart way.